In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact USPS by phone. If you need help with a package, a delivery that seems delayed, or a general question about postal services, calling the main USPS customer service line is a reliable way to get assistance. You'll find the official number on the USPS website under customer service. Before you dial, take a moment to gather anything you might be asked for, like a tracking number, your mailing address, the mailing date, and a brief description of the issue. Having these details handy will save time once you're connected. The customer service line is staffed during specific hours. Agents are available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time and on Saturday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. If you're calling from another time zone, adjust accordingly. Be aware that wait times can be longer on Mondays and the day after holidays, so midweek and mid-morning or late afternoon often provide a smoother experience. If you can, avoid peak times to reach someone faster. When you call, you'll first hear the automated system. This is normal, and it's designed to route you to the right team. Start by following the prompts related to packages or tracking. Selecting those options typically gets you closer to a representative who can help with shipment questions. After you've navigated those prompts, say customer service or representative clearly. If you're given the option to press 0 to reach an agent, go ahead and do that. If the system doesn't recognize your request, try speaking slowly and using short phrases like agent or customer service. Sometimes simply staying on the line without pressing additional buttons will move you to a queue for a live person. This line is there to help with package tracking issues, lost or delayed mail, starting a missing mail claim, and general USPS questions. If you're reporting a missing item, be ready to share what the package looks like and where it was last scanned, if you know. For tracking concerns, read the tracking number slowly to minimize errors. Keep a pen and paper nearby to write down any case numbers or instructions the agent provides. A quick safety note: never share sensitive financial information during the call. You shouldn't be asked for anything like full credit card numbers or personal passwords. That's it. Call the main USPS customer service line during posted hours, follow the package or tracking prompts, then ask for customer service to reach a live agent who can assist with tracking issues, lost or delayed mail, missing mail claims, and general questions.